Hello everybody, this is TSG-PM1, which is a total harmonic distortion power meter developed by M-Build Technologies for testing of single-phase devices. Now, here I am explaining the testing of LED bulbs. I have taken a 5-watt bulb of a company. Here the values are showing as the current voltage 226.3 volt, the ampere is 24.43 ampere, the wattage of the single phase LED bulb is showing here, and the power factor, frequency are showing. This is a voltage TSG present, and this is a current TSG, and this is the net TSG percentage. I have explained the net TSG in another video. For an idea, as you can see, there is a presence of voltage TSG. Due to this, the ampere TSG also containing this factor, so the net TSG caused by the load is 46, which is a difference of current TSG and the voltage TSG. Here you can clearly see the model number which is testing, and here is the showing the test result, which is currently it is showing fail because voltage AC is beyond the limit. Now, if you want to see further harmonics, you have to press next page. After pressing next page, you can see the voltage harmonics. Here, this is the voltage value of RMS value of voltage. This is a total TSG percentage, 7.79%, and these are the harmonics. 0, 1, it's a fundamental harmonic, and these are 15, 17, 19th. You can view more harmonics by pressing up or down button. Now I want to see 3rd, 5th or 7th harmonics. Now I will press down button 2 times. Now here you can see the 3rd, 5th and 7th harmonics. You can also see their graph, so you can analyze the harmonics levels by seeing the graph. Now, if you want to see current harmonics, press again the next page. Here you will see the current harmonics. This is RMS value, this is the current TSG, and these are the harmonics. Here you can also see the TSG percentage. Now, if you want to see voltage and current TSG in simultaneously or analyze the harmonics, so you have to press up button for the 5 seconds. Here, the TSG-PM will analyze the data and will show you. Here you can see the harmonics level, and this first fundamental harmonic, 3rd, 5th, 7th, 9th, 11th, these are voltage. These are the percentage value with reference to the RMS value. What are their levels? Okay, this is a current harmonics values. These are their percentage with reference to their RMS values. Now, if you want to see further harmonics, you have to press up button. Then you will see the next 5 harmonics like 13, 15, 17, 19, 21. Fundamental harmonics are always shown. Now, if you want to see the graph or spectrum of the current harmonic, press next page button. So here you will see the graph at the TSG-PM1 of the harmonics. This is also called the current TSG spectrum. You can view the all harmonics here and analyze it. Now if you want to see voltage harmonics, press here. Now you will see the voltage spectrum. So this is a main important factor of this meter, that you will see the spectrum of all harmonics in graphical format, so you can easily analyze the harmonic data. Now if you want to go to the main page, press hold button and you will back to the page where you from exit.